Welcome back, you guys. Make sure you subscribe, like, hit the notification bell to see more videos like this. In today's video, I will be showing you the last time that I trimmed my hair or even did my undercut, mess with it in any kind of way. And the last date that I did do it was June the 20th of 2020. Now I am letting it grow out for a year just to see how long it's going to grow or how far it's gonna grow. Because the reason why I started this journey of the undercut was because my hair doesn't grow in the back long enough, so I just decided I'd do an undercut. But with me doing all this trimming and trying to keep it in shape, I decided I'd try again to grow it out. And so I'm gonna let it grow out for a year, and I'll keep you updated on my journey. Also in this video, I have how far it done grown since I last trimmed it. So continue to watch. Don't make sure you like, subscribe, hit the notification bell to see more content like this. I'm just gonna get this little bottom section right here, and that's it. And I'm gonna show you all the completed results. So what's up, you guys? In today's video, we are going to do a update on my undercut journey, my hair in the back every month. But I decided to not do that this time. And I decided to do let my hair grow out for a year. So I'm gonna let it grow out from June the 30th, 2020 to June the 30th, 2021. And I'll let y'all see my growth from June the 30th, 2020 as of right now. And I'll either insert a clip in of when I last cut it. So y'all stay tuned, keep watching, make sure you subscribe to my channel, make sure you like it. This video, let's get this subscribers up to 55. So don't forget to press that like button and stay tuned. As of now, I'm gonna turn around. This is how I got my natural hair right now. And so I'm rocking the braids in my hair. I'm gonna do them for probably about 3 months or so. I'm gonna rock them in my hair, some kind of braid hairstyle. And in the back, I'll let y'all see how my undercut looks while it done growed out at this point. And it looks like this. Trying to make sure y'all see everything in it. See the whole process. But yeah, so that's how far it done grown. And the reason why I decided to actually decided to do the undercut, to start cutting my hair in the back, is because I tend to have problems with my hair growth in the back. So yeah, that's the reason why I just stopped doing it. I just started cutting my hair into the undercut style. But since it's been a while, I want to try and see like the growth in it. So I decided that I'm gonna let it grow out till next year. If it grows long enough, I might just discontinue for a little while doing the undercut. But if it don't grow long enough, then I'll go back to doing the undercut. As I said, I'm gonna I probably add a video or add a clip or something, because I got like a 5-minute video of the last time I cut it, which was June the 30th, 2020. So Y'all stay tuned. Like this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I was just on here for that little moment of time to explain to y'all about my undercut, because I get a lot of views and likes from that. So, and I appreciate that. Don't forget to like my video. Until next time, I leave you with love, peace, grace, and goodwill. Bye.